Good morning. My name is David Katz. I am CEO and founder of Sparrow Pharmaceuticals. After I earned a PhD at Yale University, I performed postdoctoral research at University of Michigan and University of Chicago. Then during 18 years at Abbott and AbbVie, I was a leader in clinical development, drug discovery, and personalized medicine. My business partner is Jeff Drajesk. During 26 years at Abbott and AbbVie, he was a leader in clinical operations, project management, and medical affairs. Together, we managed matrix drug development teams, just as we now manage Sparrow. Sparrow's advisors and consultants include former colleagues from Abbott and AbbVie, an experienced biotechnology CEO, and former senior leaders from the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. Corticosteroids such as prednisone and dexamethasone are a mainstay of therapy for millions of patients. Often, as for this woman who has vasculitis, corticosteroids are the only available treatment. Yet corticosteroid utility is limited by side effects that include diabetes, hypertension, fractures, glaucoma, and fragile skin. Sparrow has novel, non-steroidal new chemical entities that have potential to prevent or reverse many corticosteroid side effects. Our molecules are not expected to alter corticosteroid efficacy to treat immune and other diseases. Used together with a corticosteroid, Sparrow's molecules can be the basis for effective, safe, cost-effective, and convenient treatment for vasculitis, asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, rheumatoid arthritis, psoriasis, macular edema, lymphoma and leukemia, and many other diseases. Composition of matter patents for both molecules are issued in United States, Europe, Japan, China, and other countries. We license these molecules from a large pharmaceutical company, so the existing data are high quality. The lead molecule has an open IND and a wide safety margin from completed clinical trials and animal studies. It is ready to start phase 2 clinical trials. IND-enabling studies are completed for a backup molecule. Sparrow plans to first develop the lead molecule to phase 3 readiness as a treatment for vasculitis, which is the largest global indication for long-term oral corticosteroid use. We currently seek $6 million investment to demonstrate clinical proof of concept. Entocort EC and Uceris are marketed safer oral corticosteroids. They are capsules that provide high local corticosteroid concentrations in parts of the intestine where inflammatory bowel disease lesions are prevalent and decreased systemic corticosteroid levels. Those products demonstrate that it is possible to develop, gain regulatory approval, and achieve commercial success for a safer oral corticosteroid. Both did that with clinical trials of limited size and no long-term outcomes studies. But Entocort EC and Uceris can be used only for inflammatory bowel disease. That is only about 5% of our market, the small light blue segment. Yet their global sales are close to $500 million. You can see that the market potential for the other 95% is gigantic. Sparrow will serve that market. We plan to start with vasculitis, which provides blockbuster sales potential by itself, and also orphan designation for extended market exclusivity. Additional indications can be developed in parallel or after launch. Corticosteroids are administered by several routes. Sparrow can create products for all of them. We seek companies that have specific expertise, particularly in ophthalmology or dermatology, to be Sparrow's partners to develop additional products. Each non-oral product is approximately 18 months from clinical trials. The critical path is development and manufacture of the non-oral formulations. Corticosteroids have been used in medicine for a long time. Yet there is a large and dynamic market for premium-priced corticosteroids. 2016 global sales were over $12 billion, mostly in respiratory medicine. It is an attractive market with new product entries as recently as late 2017. Many global companies are active in the premium-priced corticosteroid market. What is the evidence that Sparrow can make corticosteroids safer? One set of evidence comes from knockout mice that were engineered to not express our drug target. Normal mice treated with corticosteroids show all the same side effects as humans, but the knockout mouse resists all of those effects. All skin thinning is shown here. In contrast, the knockout mouse has similar immune responses to control mice. The response to an inflammatory arthritis model is shown here. There is also a knockout human model. Cushing's disease is a condition in which a benign tumor leads to extreme excess of cortisol, our natural corticosteroid. Cushing's patients have symptoms that are similar to the side effects of corticosteroid medications. But there are rare Cushing's patients who also had constitutionally low levels of our drug target. Those patients had no Cushing's syndrome symptoms. Therefore, corticosteroid side effects should not occur in the presence of our molecules. Our lead compound has reversed certain corticosteroid adverse effects in animal models. Those data can be shared under confidentiality. Sparrow has a low-risk, efficient path to develop an effective, safe, cost-effective, and convenient treatment for millions of patients who currently don't have one. Our lead oral program, as well as product development for other administration routes, can be disruptive products for multiple medical markets. First, our products would achieve the same efficacy as today's corticosteroids, but without most of the side effects. Then, with further research, our products can change the paradigm for corticosteroid use, from dose limiting for side effect avoidance to dose optimization for efficacy. Thank you. Who has questions?